This story about an hour ago, the court adjourned without a verdict. A federal judge, Ricardo, said he will deliver a verdict at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Meantime, Lander left the courthouse still very confident he'll be vindicated. He said he feels his defense demolished the prosecutor's case and that he will be found not guilty. That's just what he expressed it when he entered the courthouse this morning.
I'm confident I'm not guilty, so I feel good about it. I'm optimistic that I'll be found not guilty, but I'm glad we're bringing attention to this issue, whatever happens.
A confident Brad Lander entering federal court to face trial for his arrest by ICE agents in the hallway outside immigration court last September.
Let's go. You don't have the authority to arrest U.S. citizens.
Lander, former city comptroller and current Democratic congressional candidate, was taken into custody for the alleged violation of blocking an elevator bank on the 10th floor of 26 Federal Plaza.
What they're going to attempt to prove today is that I obstructed the elevator, and we will put on a good defense, but I did not obstruct the elevator. But there is a separate question about whether that even rises to the level of the statute. I think they've weakened their case against me.
Prosecutors insist he ignored multiple warnings to move and instead started chanting, "We shall not be moved." While defending his actions, Lander called for action against ICE agents.
The guilty party is ICE. Seek to hold ICE agents accountable for their crimes and have there be prosecutions. That would be a much better use of the resources of prosecution to hold ICE officers accountable for the really brutal and cruel crimes that they have committed, rather than charging me with a petty misdemeanor for sitting on the floor of the elevator.
Well, a long day session in court ended with no verdict. Judge, he promised to deliver that tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, and he still expects that he'll be vindicated in this whole case. We're told federal officials did offer to drop the charges against Lander if he pledged not to protest inside any federal building for a period of 6 months. He denied that deal. We'll have a verdict in this case tomorrow morning.